Wait, why is it recording? Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I want to do a portfolio cringe part 2. I recently reacted to my first portfolio website, and I did a video on my second one years ago, so I'm going to look at that and react to that. Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I wanted to do something a little different. I wanted to share my graphic design side, and I noticed I have a little bit more subscribers. You know, it's one more from the last one that I did. Thank you for subscribing. The last 15 subscribers in 2017. Wow. Okay. I did, which is parts 1 and 2 of how to make your own books. So check that out if you haven't already. So I want to show you. Oh, those were some good tutorials, and I was thinking about doing an updated version. But yeah, those are pretty good. Not many views, but they're still good tutorials to me. My website. So if you go to my YouTube channel page, it'll have links to my social media and my website, or you can always check the description box for my social media and website, in case you didn't know. Why is it taking so long to load? I know everybody doesn't check the description box. This is the home page, and I usually have a recent YouTube video as the home page here. Aside from design, because my portfolio is where I put my design work, and YouTube is where I do everything else, because I'm more than just a designer and illustrator. I do a lot of things. So this homepage, this YouTube, is what showcases that. So in case anybody's like wondering what else I do, they can come here. You know, anyone who checks this website out. The About page. I'm sweating. And my first website, like when I first designed it, it looked... Sorry, this is a very long description compared to what I have now. This is very long. I'm glad I shortened it and got straight to the point. Okay. Trash. Because I wasn't really into web design. I had just started learning, and I did it using coding. And so I didn't know that much about code because I had just taken the course, but afterwards I learned more about it. I could not wait to change how it looked. And so thankfully I got Adobe Muse. You don't have to use code. So that's what I used to make this website, in case you were wondering. So I mentioned this before, but Adobe Muse no longer exists. So if you want to build your own website, like portfolio website, Adobe has this thing called Adobe Portfolio, and you can use templates from there to build your own website. But I currently have Squarespace that's under construction, and my Adobe Portfolio I'm also working on. So continue. Basically saying how I went from art to design. I know one time there was like, this was in the first grade, we had to all draw something, and so one of the students asked me to draw for them, so I did, and then the teacher's like, no, you can't draw for someone else, you have to do your own drawings. Yeah. I would always be asked to draw for the other students, even continuing into middle school and high school, college. Like, I would always be asked to draw something for somebody, but most of the time it was for free until college. What really got me into design was my mother, who noticed how I would always draw certain advertisements. Like, I would make up a company or something and draw an ad for it, like for a fragrance or a clothing line. And she looked at it and she said, why don't you get into advertising or advertising design? So when I registered for college, that's what my major was.
This is a great story, but the music should be a little bit lower. Because, I have this soft voice, and hearing that, like, it's competing. The music is competing with my voice.
I love making logos. Like, I've always loved making logos and branding. Like, the more I was getting into college, the more I realized
Wait, why is the picture? That's not. It looks stretched.
Branding. And that's why I had switched my major to graphic design.
Yes.
My drawing skills have improved from self-learning and art classes. I took elementary school through high school. You get like one art class, and that always helped me out. But in college,
wait, what did I say?
Figure drawing.
What did it say? The caption?
Graphic design. My drawing skills have improved from self-learning and art classes. I took elementary school through high school. You get like one art class, and that always helped me out. But in college, I had figure drawing and foundation drawing. So foundation drawing, I drew objects like still life pictures and learn about drawing from different perspectives. And then after that, I took life drawing, which we have to draw people. And I know some of you have heard of.
Yeah, so that picture I just showed on the screen, that was one of the drawings I did in that figure drawing class, which was also on my first portfolio website.
Naked models. Yes, it is true. You have to draw naked models, yes. Male and female. They're not always naked. Sometimes they do wear clothes. The purpose is so that you can learn to draw the different parts of the body. And this is my logo right here. That's me with my curly hair. This was a picture I had on my LinkedIn page. Also, I write stories. I haven't finished, but I will get back to it. I really do want to publish them. So
sorry, I know I look annoyed. It's just the song. I wish I would have changed it to something else. But I like the story's fine. It's just the song.
This link here goes directly to YouTube.
Any day now.
If you want me to describe more of the pieces from there, you can let me know. I probably won't get any comments on this video. I know. It's okay. So, this goes directly to my Facebook. I'm mostly active on here. I do also have Instagram. I recently got that. But between the two of them, I'm mostly posting stuff on Facebook. If you haven't noticed on
Wait, I remember that video. I was testing the UCam features. I'm hilarious. Okay. Yes.
If you haven't noticed on the top,
the caption had said these facial expressions are hilarious, and I agree with that.
The links to my LinkedIn, Google Plus. I don't know who uses that anymore.
It don't even exist anymore. So Google Plus does not exist anymore because no one was really using it. No, I don't know why. But whatever. It's gone. It doesn't exist.
This page through here.
Finally getting to the portfolio part. Oh. Yeah, this feature was nice, but I feel like the work should speak for itself. And then if someone sees it and wants to talk about it, then we could talk about it. But for the most part, it should speak for itself. Why am I on it for so long?
This right
So you
here,
can read
reveal
it?
nail polish, is what I'm going to talk about today. Okay, so I thought of this because...
So I used to have a description, like an overall description for the project, and then I would get into the actual thing. And I took that off because, yeah, let people just see the work first and then, you know, just let it speak for itself. And then you can talk about it further if necessary. That's how I feel about it now.
I wanted to mix something with art because art is a major part of my life. So I wanted to mix art with something. And I ended up choosing nail polish because people use nail polish to express their mood. So, you know how people use different colors to express their mood on that day? You know, if you want to wear yellow because you feel bright and happy. The thing is that each color represents a mood that you feel. And I was connecting that to paintings because artists use specific colors to express different moods, just like how people use colors to express how they feel. And one way people do that is putting on their nail polish. The consumers purchasing this, they're basically the artists, and the nail polish is the paint, and their nails are the canvas where they paint whatever they want or how they feel. 4 artists, and each artist gets 2 different colors from 2 of their paintings that are similar. So I have Vincent van Gogh, of course, it's my favorite, Andy Warhol, Pablo Picasso, and Wassily Kandinsky. I chose to use an easel with the canvas. So the canvas is what you see the paintings on. And I have them all lined up with each other. Tagline is express your mood. And the reason that it's called reveal is because you're revealing the artist within yourself. So it took forever to come up with this name. It took the whole semester.
Yeah.
But anyway, that explains that.
I could not come up with a name for the product, so I just had to keep working on the concept and everything else, and then at the very end of the semester, boom, I got the name of the brand.
For my contact page, you can send me
So this video, I just talked about that one thing. I wonder if I could find the link to the old website, like I did with the first one.
Put your name, your email address, and a message you want to send. I mostly get emails.
Why are these pages taking so long?
Smart funding or whatever that is. Talk about loaning me $10,000 for my business.
Wait, what? Hold on.
I mostly get emails from Smart Funding or whatever that is.
Oh yeah, I used to. Oh my! I remember that. That was so annoying. Spam emails about sending money or something. I ain't falling for that.
I've never replied to those emails because I don't need that. I never heard of them before. I don't trust it. It seems like spam to me.
It is.
But anyway, I also have my resume there. So click that and check it out in case you're interested in what I've done. That ends this portfolio tour. Please
pause right quick. Okay. Muse was done. They stopped making it or whatever. I got Squarespace, and then the format was pretty similar to this. I had these projects up here or up there, and then I updated it again and I removed a few of them. But if you notice, like this project right here, I always keep it in my portfolio because till this day I'm still proud of it. I would change a little bit about it, but overall it's like the bomb to me. In the first portfolio cringe video, I reacted to this already. Oh wait, no, it was just the that horrible brochure. Yeah, let's move on.
Check out the other pieces that I have here, as well as my Facebook, my Instagram.
You can already, you see the improvement from the first portfolio, right? It's so much better. Like the first one was more, didn't have many design elements to it, like digital design, but this one does. It's like very different from the first one. So it's definitely on the right track. And I'm already looking at what I would change. So let me just continue playing the video.
And my other YouTube stuff, I might do a description of my Splatter Restaurant and Gallery stuff. Stay tuned for more videos. I'll have a drawing video up next week. Check it out. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.
I mean, I understand why I didn't go into all of them, but I thought the tour would be a little bit different. I guess not. But let me just show you what it looks like right now. So this is what it's like right now. It's under construction. Okay. It's in progress and you'll be notified when it's done. I am currently working on that as we speak. See, that's what happened when you make something years ago and you remember it being a certain way, and then you watch it again and it's not how you remember it. Oh well, I do have DIYs coming up. There should be hopefully a DIY video before this one because I did a poll on my Instagram and majority of y'all said you want a DIY tutorial first before portfolio cringe, but I still want to do this video. But that's it. So see you in the next one. Bye bye.